Don't jump like that in that shallow water. See? So you can show Daddy when he gets out.
Now I forgot to learn how to swim.
You forgot to learn how to swim. You know, if Daddy was here, he would correct you right now. No, Rain, I don't think so. They'll get mad. The department managers will get mad.
What do you mean it's now?
I said they'll get mad.
No, they won't. Other people are using it.
No, they were using it for a cup. That's for somebody drowning. Wait up. Oh, Rain, look it. I found something. I don't know. What? Yeah, you do. Go ahead. Jump. Jump. You're scared? I was filming her so I could show Everett. Jump. That's how you jump. You're going to fall and hurt yourself. Come on, Mom. Take a shower and wash yourself off. We'll come back later or tomorrow. I don't want to be home anyways, all day anyways. Say I love you, Daddy. Tell him. Look at Rain. She's getting so big. That's funny. That is funny. Yeah, my little Aptec camera. I was just filming her. Filming her jump. See, she's jumping. There you go. It's a good camera, though. Wouldn't you say? Are you going to wash yourself off over there? No, why not?